Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of percentages. So, there are three numbers in a set. One of the numbers A is 30 less than the sum of the other two numbers. If the sum of the three numbers is 204, what is the value of A? So to solve this question, we will need to set up an equation. So we're talking about three numbers. The first one is A, let's say the second one is B, and the third one is C. And the sum of these three numbers is given as 204. And you're supposed to find the value of A. And there is also one more information given. A is 30 less than the sum of the other two numbers. So, A is 30 less than sum of the others. So, what does that mean? So, B plus C will be equal to 0.7, since 30% means 0.3, right, for a whole number. So this is going to be 0.7 times B plus C. 0.7 plus B plus C will be equal to A. So I'm just gonna rewrite it in here. This is going to be equal to this. So based on this, if you will just distribute here this into the parentheses, this is going to become 0.7b plus 0.7c is equals to A. So instead of A in the first equation, we can go ahead and write 0.7b plus 0.7c plus also B and C is coming from the original equation. This is equals to 204. So we have like terms. I'm going to underline once. We have C's. I will just underline them twice. So if you will combine them, 1 plus 0.7 B, that makes 1.7 B plus 1.7 C will be equal to 204. So we will get 1.7 parentheses here, and B plus C will be equals to 204. To find the value of B plus C, we will just go ahead and divide both sides by 1.7. In digital SAT exam, you will be allowed to use your calculator. It is going to be provided and the software anyway. So when you divide these, B plus C will be equals to 120. So we found the value of B plus C, but we're looking for the value of A. So remember, B plus C was in here, the sum of them. So again, let me rewrite it in here, is 204. And we just found the value of B plus C as 120. If we will take away from each other, both sides, these will be canceling each other out. And A technically will be 84. So the right choice for this question is choice B. I hope you like this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.